In this video, I will show you how to edit your PDF file in Microsoft Word. This is very simple and very easy to edit your PDF, document, resumes, anything in PDF. You can edit and save it same again in PDF, and then it will be easy to use again. So let's start this video, and I will simply drag this video, drag this PDF file you can see here, and click OK on this dialog box, and here you can see the same PDF file has been opened in Microsoft Word. I will enable editing, and here I can easily edit my resume. So here I will write Sajid Mahmood. So it's save again. So we can make edit, I'll edit, I can make this bold, change color, and then again save as save as in desktop, and I will again save this as a PDF, and the file saved in PDF. So same resume I have edited. You can see the changes. I have changed the name and color change. Here I done bold color of these sentences. So this is very simple to edit your PDF file in Microsoft Word. Thank you very much.